Hi, I'm Anita. This is Sightless Living. I am a totally blind YouTuber. I like to share information that I know with you.
Big bold text appears and reads, Sightless Living. Copyright symbol 2021-2025. Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how to take back a message when you send it out by accident, or maybe you sent it to the wrong person, or maybe you want to make an edit to your message. So I am going to show you that. But before I do, I'd like to thank all the new subscribers, and I'd like to ask a favor of those of you who are not subscribed to please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That will let YouTube know this content is interesting and may be helpful for others. So if you could do that for me, I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to send a message to a friend who does not want their name mentioned. Hello, I will be sending and unsending text messages as an example for my video.
Inserted. Hello, I will be sending an unending text messages as an example for my video.
Okay, so it has an error, as you can see. So I'm going to thumb through it word by word.
Hello, I will be sending an unending
Unending, that's incorrect.
text messages as an example for my video.
So that's it. I'm going to send it anyway.
Send button.
Single finger double tap.
Send. Dictate button.
Okay. Now, to take it back and delete it, I have to get it within 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do is touch the bubble of the message.
Your iMessage. Hello, I will be sending an
That's
unending
what I
text
just
messages
sent.
as an example
I'm going to
for my
do
video.
single finger tap and hold.
Tap back picker part button.
So you get the tap back picker, and then I'm going to thumb through it. I'll swipe to the right.
Thumbs down, haha, exclamation question, face with red heart, face with unamused, okay, smiling, add custom reply, attach sticker, edit, button.
I get edit,
Undo send, button.
undo send. So I'm going to do the undo send, single finger double tap.
Undo send effect. Your iMessage. Hello, I will be sending an unending text messages as an example for my video. Your iMessage.
That should
Hello,
have unsent
5:59
it.
PM.
So I'm going to stop it.
Messages. Your iMessage. Hello, 5:59 PM.
Okay.
You unsent a message, button.
And that's what I would get. I unsent a message. And they will see that too. They will see you unsent a message. Now, let's do one where I can edit. Don't forget, we are going to the farmer's market this Sunday, period.
Inserted. Don't forget, we are going to the farmer's market this Sunday.
I said farmer's market this Sunday, and it's actually on Saturday.
Send, button.
Now I will send the message,
Send.
but I made a mistake because the farmer's market is on Saturday, not Sunday. So I am going to go back into this message and edit it. I will touch the message I just sent.
Your iMessage. Don't forget, we are going to the farmer's market this Sunday. Link.
I'm going to do a single finger tap and hold.
Reply, button.
Okay. Now I'm going to do a single finger swipe to the right until I can get to the edit.
Attach sticker, but edit, undo send, button, edit, button,
So I have edit and undo send.
button.
We did undo send the first time.
edit, button.
I'm going to do edit this time. Single finger double tap.
Text field is editing. Don't forget, we are going to the farmer's market this Sunday. Word mode.
I'm going to
Insertion
turn
point
my
edit.
rotor so I can
Words.
swipe it by words.
Sunday period. This. Sunday period.
Okay, so
Characters. Period.
now I'm going to delete Sunday.
Delete. Y-A-D-N-U. Cap S.
Let me spell Saturday.
Cap S. Cap S. A-A-T-T-I-U-U-E. R-R-D-D-A-A-Y-Y.
Okay, and then there's the period, because I left it there. And now I'll just see what my message says.
Text field is editing. Don't forget we are going to the farmer's market this Saturday. Character mode, insertion point at end.
And then I'm going to send my message.
Send edit button.
It will say send edit,
Cancel edit button.
cancel edit.
Text field is editing. Don't forget we are going to the farmer's market this Saturday. Character mode.
So
insertion
I am
point
going
at
to
end.
just do
Cancel edit. Send edit. Button.
send edit.
Message. Text
Single
field.
finger
Edit.
double tap.
iMessage. Character mode. Insertion point and start.
So far, these are the two messages I sent.
Your iMessage. Hello. 5:59 p.m. You unsent a message. Button.
So it's going to let them know I sent them a message and then unsent it. And then the next one's going to say,
Your iMessage. Don't forget we are going to the farmer's market this Saturday. Link.
now I'm going
Messages.
to double
Edited.
tap
Button.
on edit it. And it should come back with a bullet and give the two things I typed. So it's going to give them the incorrect one, and they'll see the edited one when you hit edit. Well, I don't know if they see it. They
Your
never
iMessage.
told me.
Don't forget we are going to the farmer's market
I see
this
it.
Saturday. Link.
So that's
6:21
Saturday.
p.m. Your iMessage. Don't forget we are going to the farmer's market this Sunday.
So that's what
You unsent a
happened.
message. Button.
So now they'll see I unsent a message.
Your iMessage. Don't forget we are going to the farmer's market this Sunday.
And this Sunday, that's
6:21 p.m.
incorrect. I have been correcting text messages, and no one has ever told me whether or not they see what I edited it from. But you will see it says edited. If you do a single finger double tap on the edited, then you can see all your edits. You have up to 5 times within 15 minutes to edit a message. When you are taking back a message or deleting a message, you have only up to 2 minutes to delete that message. Just remember that. You cannot edit or unsend a SMS, MMS, or RCS message. You can only edit it if you are sending a text message to a group and at least one other person has iMessage. I hope this little tip helps you out. If you want more iPhone tips, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you'll get notified each time a video is uploaded. If you found some value in this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up so YouTube will share this video with others. And I will see you next time. This is Anita of Sightless Living signing off.
Scene changes to a mountain scene backdrop. Rolling credits appear in big bold text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary. Mountain stream video, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.